So hey guys, what's going on? It's Calvin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the best Bournemouth accommodation. In my personal opinion, from what I've seen and for the prices, for first year is Dorchester, but all for the other years, Home Park is where it's at for a couple of reasons. So first of all, let me show you what Home Park is, and let me show you why you should pick Home Park as your only accommodation if you don't want to move into a house. So here's Home Park. If we go on some images, so I mean, it does look like that. But yeah, so this is Home Park. Basically, it's located around all the other accommodations. So all the other accommodations are pretty much all around here. So around here is when you have Oxford Point, Bailey Point, Corfe House, Lyme Regis, Dorchester, and Home Park is literally up the road. It's literally a 2-minute walk from all the other accommodations. And then here's the strip. Oh, that's not the strip. Here's the strip for, like, you know, the clubs and everything. So you're literally 5 minutes. Here's another accommodation actually. You're literally 5-10 minutes away walk. And from the uni, again, the uni bus, that's the only downside is you have to basically walk down this little path here and catch a bus here, or walk around and catch the bus here. But or you can obviously walk down here and catch the bus at Dorchester or catch it here. But that's the only thing I would say is bad about Dorchester. Oh, there's a co-op right here. I keep forgetting about that co-op. And another thing is the beach. Boom, you're close to the beach. It's literally one road, so it's not straight. This is the Bournemouth beach, or it's right next to the Boscombe beach. So it's bang slap in the middle of everything. So let's look at Home Park from the website. So the common room does actually look like this. I know some pictures, they disguise it. They do actually look like this, the common room. If we go to other things, so commercial lounge. So the only thing is, like, I'll be 100 transparent with you. With the pool table, the pool sticks seem to always be broken. Don't know why, but it gets like that. The vending machine, I spent too much money at the vending machine. Late nights, get hungry. The chairs are comfortable. Everything there is comfortable. Behind this is a TV. Yep, as you can see, there's a TV. Again, 100% transparent. Last time we tried it, it wasn't working properly, but they could have fixed it by now. If we keep going next, obviously it looks nice. This is another room we have. This is more like a revision room. These chairs are weird to sit in, but it's one of those things you want to try. You can literally come in here. It's usually silent. This is where people come to study. The only thing is, when you're studying in here, there's a window right here. So people look in and you look at them, and it's a little bit weird. This is obviously the laundry room. This, for me, when I go like late night, usually when people don't really go, so that could just be me. I don't normally have problems finding an empty washing machine, but there is a group chat where I normally see students complain about washing machine, you know, like, can somebody come and collect their washing machine, etc. But for me, again, doesn't really have a problem. This is what the front looks like. So you walk in, that's this door here is this room here. But I've never seen anyone go through that door. I feel like it's a fire safety door. This is the door to all the accommodations. You can chill here where you're, if you're waiting for your friend or waiting for someone to come down. And this is obviously the reception. So here's a room. So let's just break it down. Before we even get to the rooms, let's talk about the reception. So one thing I've got to say, Dorchester, is the people at reception are very patient and they're very nice. So I know from one of them, they came from Dorchester House, and the energy is the same. She's really nice. You can say good morning to her. Even the cleaner that cleans the rooms, literally really nice. Goes around, cleans up after your mess. All the reception is really nice. And yeah, and I just want to say, with disclaimer, I'm not getting paid to make this video. Like, you know, like hyping up Home Park. I don't get anything from the actual company to make this video. I just wanted to show you guys what, in my personal opinion, what the best Bournemouth accommodation is. So if we go now to the rooms, if you haven't seen a video already of the room, so this makes the room look kind of small, if I'm being honest. The angle, it makes the room look small. But if you literally go to the plugged in website, go to Bournemouth University, and then we go to accommodation, and you will see one of the accommodations is actually Home Park. So as you can see in this clip, so I'm going to break down the the picture of, so this picture from the clip. So I have recorded a video of Home Park to show you what it looks like. So we just play. Okay, so as you can see, as from the entrance right here, you have a clothes rack, or coat rack. So as you see, I have a couple coats in there. It's got 3 hooks, but it's obviously got little hooks, so you could put more coats there. There's some space there to put some stuff, and then there's a mirror. This is the bathroom. So obviously you got your toilet. You've got a little cabinet up here to put your stuff in, and this is actually a mirror that lights up. Sink, you know, all your essentials, and then obviously the bathroom. So for people that are my height, 6 foot, you're fine for having a shower. The only thing with the shower is trying to figure out where hot and cold is, because there's a little, obviously it could be specific to my shower, but there's the temperature where if you slowly budget, it goes from decently hot to boiling hot. And this is the little cabinet where you could put little things in to do with your obviously right now I've got more stuff in there, but to do with your toiletry stuff. And then we look at the actual cupboard. So in this cupboard, you can see there's a top bit here. For the top bit here, I normally put my shorts or anything to do with my toiletries. So such as you can see here, sprays, soap, bleach, all that good stuff. And then in here, I hang up my most important, like, you know, your business jumpers and shirts. And then I have my jeans. Surprisingly, I don't really wear jeans, to be honest. And then I have like a section of my t-shirts, jumpers and trousers. I haven't used these little cabinets. I believe they're for your underwear, but they're really small, and there's not much you can fit in them, as you can see. So that's why I haven't really been using them. So then if we now look at the next section, which is this section. So this is like a long thing that goes across. I've now changed this. My speaker's now on the floor, but this is space to put anything that you might need day to day just to reach or to go for. So as you see, I've got my games here for my Xbox in case I just need to pull down the game and change the game. And I've got some other stuff here too. And this is the actual table. So as you can see, I have a little TV, have a little setup here going on here, laptop, and you can fit a lot on this desk. As you can see, I have the laptop, TV, wipes, water, Xbox 360 controller, all that good stuff. And if we look more in the room here, the heater, personally, I mean, you're not allowed to, but that heater is okay, but it doesn't heat up the room to the temperature I want. Then I have a dirty clothes basket, have my shoes, have some weights, then I have my bin. Then in this corner, I basically just store everything I don't need in a box. It's a pretty good corner. It can fit about a medium-sized suitcase going across. And this is the double bed. Then at the top of the bed, you've got some more space to put some more stuff. So as you can see here, I've got my cream. And so from the picture, you can see what I mean where I say the room, they make the room look smaller than it actually is. So we just go back into it and carry on looking. So next bit I'm going to be showing is the kitchen. So in the kitchen, oh, sorry, that's not, there's under space under the actual bed. So you could, so as you can have all my toilet paper there under the bed. So there's more space under the bed, just in case you run out of space in the room. So the next bit I'm going to be showing is the drawers on the table. So in the drawers, which you'll see in a sec, basically you could just put all your stationery. So the stationery is going to be like, you know, pens, pencils, all kind of different stuff. Anything I need immediately as I'm studying is basically what I have there. As you see, like the first aid kit. Now we're looking at the kitchen. So from what I've seen from the other accommodations, we seem to have a pretty big kitchen, and it's different for each room. So in our kind of flat, we have 7 people, A, B, C, D, E, F. We have 6 people, I think. 6 people. I want to say 6 or 7 people. As you can see, it's got the living room and the kitchen in the same place with 2 fridges, 2 sinks, 1 oven. And obviously there's a bunch of drawers for everyone, which are very spacious. You can fit a lot in there. I've got a couple of things in my drawer, and obviously there's space for there. I don't believe This comes with the flat. I believe one of our flatmates brought this through, so that's a warning. If you want to also be heating water and using a toaster, make sure you bring it yourself. Doesn't need to be expensive. And then this is the size of the literal what do you call it now, the drawer. So you see I didn't have anything at the moment, but it fits a lot. And this is the living room. So being on a higher floor, it can get a bit dirty, as you can see from the wall. Nobody really cleans it, to be honest, but it's not really a problem. The view, you can see Tesco and see if it's busy or not, to say, because there's a Tesco Express down the road literally over there, so you can see if it's busy or not. Other than that, I mean, yeah, it's that's pretty much the view. Here's one of the flatmates uses this. I don't really use it. It's just more extra space for everyone's stuff, like, you know, mops, sweeps. And then here's the fridge. So obviously you need to come in agreement with your flatmates on how to use the fridge. Personally, I don't really use the fridge because I have my own mini fridge, which I store everything in. So here's the washing room. Remember I showed in the video. So this is just what it looks like on video. Here's that common room I was talking about. As you can see, high chairs. As you can see, the window. This is a world map. And then you can see what I mean about the window. People normally walk down here because just over there is where the Premier Inn is. So people are just walking around, just, you know, from the Premier Inn or just passing by, and they can kind of see what you're doing. And finally, here's the common room. So as you can see, it looks really good. There's nothing to really complain about. This is their Instagram. They normally post different things here and there. It's not something I'm really interested in myself, but obviously you never know. Like, they done a big giveaway, they get involved with Halloween, they do post a decent amount, and they post obviously updates on their stories, they post little things here and there. And yeah, that's kind of home park. And one thing I do like about home park is this initiative to get your friends. So this is your next student house. What you can do is you can have a referral scheme. So this is what it looks like on the dashboard when you're here. Just going to cut out obviously some of my information. As you can see, there's a refer a friend option. And what that refer a friend option is basically is when they use your code when they're signing up, you both get £150. So with my £150, I gave 100 to a family member to buy something for their Christmas present, and I took £50 for myself, and I had £50 worth of Tesco vouchers. But obviously you can use £150 worth of Tesco vouchers. The friend, congratulations. You and the referring one friend to book their room with Ruse. So far you've earned £150. Yay, checked in on that day. You'll be able to shopping voucher. It's Amazon. Literally, you can use it wherever you want. So to kind of show you where the place is, I will into the actual accommodate the way to get the £150. So basically, if you just go to my Instagram, Calvin J Mackenzie, you follow the link here. And as you see, I have my socials and then I've plugged in, but here I have all the referrals of free stuff you can get as students. Or I'll add, obviously Home Park's not there now because they changed their kind of code, but I'll add the Home Park code in. And as you're signing up to register for Home Park, you can literally enter my code. You get £150, I get £150, everyone wins. And what you can also do, if you want more of an opinion, if you don't feel like you want more of someone else to give their opinion on Home Park, if you go on the website, as you can see here, more students have commented of what it's like to live at Home Park. It's been Calvin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.